Good morning. Could be a busy day today, but let's recap what's going on. Look like the market is still jittery over Ukraine because it's not resolved yet. Okay, so good morning. Oops, gotta turn on the volume here. All right. Morning, Pigpen and Crapplebox and Rob Wilson. All right, so first up, let's talk about Nvidia. Okay, important. It is important. Nvidia. Yesterday, as I mentioned in the aftermarket observation, I saw why I explained it yesterday, the fall pattern that can happen when earnings arrive, and usually it is not a good thing to stick around. I missed on Disney, and of course Airbnb, okay, was the other one that I missed. So Airbnb, when it reported, for those that remember, after hour, okay, it did, oops, it went as high as, I'm just not, okay, that was right there, okay, that was Airbnb after hour, as you can see, at 4 o'clock. Unfortunately, I was with my son doing other things and I couldn't trade, and I was kind of annoyed by that, but father's duty is important. Disney, I just missed altogether. I was around for Disney, so that was on me, okay? But Airbnb was something that's unavoidable. I should have put a limit sell order after hour before I was busy, but I didn't. I forgot to do it, okay? So because of that, when Nvidia reported earning, I was at my trading desk waiting, and I got out at 273. I sold half of my position. So now the question is, what now, right? Now that it's over with, earning is decent, the market is gonna punish Nvidia no matter what. What now? So let's stop that nonsense spam calling. What now? Where can Nvidia go? Okay, can it go back down to 242? The 20 MA? Absolutely, right? Absolutely. If you want to buy Nvidia, I would say wait. Wait where? But before we do that, let's do this. 346.47. Let's draw a trend line. Beautiful trend line, okay? Look at that. Yeah, let's change this so we can see it nice and bright. Color to blue. I like to draw a trend line is blue. Support and resistance is yellow. Trying to be consistent with your chart drawing and using color so that you can distinguish. There you go. Okay, so bang, bang, bang. Okay, and this trend line coincide with the 100 MA. Okay, so Nvidia is gonna have a hard time breaking this. Okay, one of the reasons why I was concerned about Nvidia before earning, even before yesterday, was the 50 MA coming down hard, okay, on top at 271 here. So I had a number to get out before earning, was anything above 270, I'm out. I put my order in with a limit at 270, but I'm just lucked out that the pump was so high that I was able to sell at 273, which is fine by me. I'm not going to complain, but 270 was my spot, my order. Okay, so now that we see a clear trend line, okay, let's back out to 1 year. Nvidia was so strong for so long, okay, for so long, but now it's gonna go through a tough spot, okay. So I think if what I would do with Nvidia, let's take a look at options. Let's take a look at options. Where's the put? Would I sell put spread? So Nvidia, there's a lot of money in Nvidia. Okay, when you have a stock that is well loved by the market, it's just like Facebook. Facebook was well loved by the market for a long time. It is over-owned by a lot of people, a lot of funds, a lot of hedge funds, everything. Every big institution had Facebook. And when Facebook had a bad number, that was ugly. Now, Nvidia is well loved, no doubt about that, okay? Well loved. No doubt it is probably the most loved semiconductor stock out there, right? But the number was good. It's not great. It's not beyond expectation, okay? So there will be pressure, but it's not going to be like a Facebook meltdown kind of thing. So the question is, where is this going to settle? For me, I think it's going to settle. I think that the 20 MA is very doable as far as a buy spot, okay? But you see this trend line coming down here, that's going to be the cap on Nvidia for a while, especially if you have like a bearish market. So nah, okay, it's not. If I was not into Nvidia, my advice would be to stay out for now, okay? Don't buy the dip yet unless you get down to the 20 MA, okay? As far as put, it's too early to see where the put's gonna be yet, because you know right now all the price of the put is not banking, is not based on the current price. It's based on the closing price yesterday, right? So we have to wait until the market open and then see where the put line up. But I would be more inclined to sell put. Where do you think I would be selling put? Down here. If I want to sell put, I would sell it at like 228, 229 down here, okay? Because I have all kind of room for protection above me, okay? I wouldn't be selling put here. What I would do if I was selling put, like say at 230 to 38, I would do a put spread. Okay, I would do a put spread. So that's how I would do it. Sometimes I do just a put, sometimes I do a put spread. And so I did sell Gilead put yesterday, but way out to April. Okay, so I sold Gilead put way out to April. Both my my friend, my teacher, and I did the same thing. I brought it to his attention again, and he forgot. Well, he follows so many stocks that Gilead was off his radar. But when I spoke to him a couple days ago about Gilead around 61. He started to look at it, and yesterday he said, let's do it. Gilead put 60 strike price, go out to April 1st was the play that we put on, okay? And he would sell more put should Gilead go down into the 55 range. That is his play. He's tend to sell put at least 2 weeks to 2 months out. He's not a fan of people writing puts on the same week unless it is earning, like Nvidia. See, Nvidia might be one that he might go today. He liked to sell put on a dump on a Thursday that will expire on Friday. So you have 1 day of risk, okay? So you betcha we will be watching Nvidia very closely, and we might sell a put around, let's see what kind of strike price as far as Nvidia does expire tomorrow. 237.5 might be a good spot, right? It's right below the support. Yeah, 237.5 might be a good play. I will text him for sure to see what he said. All right, so let's move on to something else. Walmart earnings this morning, good. But look at this, okay? It's good, but the market pressure. So now the earning is out, it's good. Would I buy Walmart here? Yes, after the first 15 minutes. I just text my brother. Good earning for those that was impatient. Look at this. Look at Walmart, okay? Anyone that FOMO into at 7 a.m., look at this. At 7:12 a.m., the high was 138.58. Is there winning in FOMO in pre-market? Is there winning? Hopefully you learned the lesson here. Okay, on a crazy pump, whether it's after hour or pre-market, if I had Walmart, you betcha I'm selling here. My brother and I will not hesitate 1 second to sell any stock that we own that pump like this in the pre-market. Okay, nonsense, utter nonsense. Remember, one of the mantra in the stock market or any market, even comic books, is what? Take money from the stupid. Okay, there is nothing intelligent here for people that buy here. Nothing. There is not one intelligent action right here. But if you think there are silly FOMO in the comic market, trust me, the FOMO in the stock market is just as dumb. Okay, just as dumb. When I said don't buy, don't chase in the first 15 minutes, that go in the pre-market as well. Avoid this. You sell into this if you had Walmart. Good God. All right, so now Walmart is settling. Would I buy Walmart here after the first 15 minutes, depending on where it's settled? Yeah, I like it. I like it, okay? We waited. We did the right thing, all right? At the end of the day, stay disciplined. Don't buy. See, I remember people start to ask me last week or 2 weeks ago, about Walmart. I said, no, nothing here to see. And then it came down to here. I said, oh, I like it. But, well, earning is next week. I'm staying out. So we will get our chance to buy somewhere here in this range with no earning risk, no headwind in our face. Okay, so risk reward. Keep repeating that. David Mushang said, what do you see in Tesla that make you sell? Here, struggling right here, the 20 MA. Plus, if you see this, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18 days in this range. Would I love to see Tesla break out and go to 980? Yeah, but we have 18 days. No. Bought at 860, 853, get out at 922. I take it. Okay, I take it. I trade. I don't buy, hold, and hope. All right. So yeah, it's my brother was less patient. He got out the day before me. Okay, he's just like F that. The 20 MA is a hard rejection. And yesterday when it flirted with this and then show crappy weakness, I'm just like, I'm out. All right. In this market, you have to understand about trading. You also have to understand the dynamic of the market. We don't have the FOMO market that we had last year. Okay, this is over. Okay, anyone that think that the market dynamic is still the same today compared to last year need to go back and learn about history of the stock market on how it behaved with rate increasing. Okay, that this the nonsense that we enjoy, the bubblicious that we enjoy last year, it's done. Okay, this is done. Okay, it ain't happening again. Okay, this is not happening again over here. Okay, this is not happening again. All right, so now we are in very choppy water. The market sentiment has changed significantly compared to 3 months ago or 6 months ago. So we need to trade accordingly. Buying here and hoping for 1200 ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen, okay? Will Tesla return to 1200 someday? Someday. Not today, not next week. Amazon struggling, okay? Struggling. Nothing there to see. Google, great number, struggling. I don't mind holding Google, okay? I don't mind. So, but at the same time, I'm keenly aware that we are in a very different market. Let's see what else. Starbucks, fine. Nothing there to worry about. Starbucks, Disney. Well, if you didn't sell here and you didn't sell yesterday, be careful. Okay, 157. I would put my order in at 157. Get out before the herd. This stock has not seen the 100 MA in a long time. Okay, so trust me, there are gonna be a whole lot of people. The reason why it didn't pump there in the first place was because there was a whole lot of people waiting to get the F out of Disney. Okay, so don't be left behind there. Don't be holding on, hoping and praying for something that ain't gonna happen. Target's gonna feel the same pressure from Walmart, which is okay. Okay, I did not add more to Target because I had the feeling that whatever happened to Walmart is gonna drag Target down no matter what. So that's okay. Would I add to Target down here at 202? Yes, yes I would. Yes I would. Walmart hanging on barely. Okay, great numbers, increased dividend, don't matter. Market's not happy. Let's see. JP Morgan, I like. Aha, 153. Let me text my brother. Put in order for JPM at 152.5 or lower, just in case, to buy the dip there. Okay. I will do the same. As I text him, I will put in an order to buy some JPM at 152.5 at the support line, just in case we dip down there from fear. Nothing wrong with buying JPM down there. JPM, here we go. Put in my order 152.5. Okay. Order is in. All right. Yeah, I mean, the Ukraine thing, who knows? Who knows? Who knows? You can't really trust any news that's coming out over that region right now because it's a lot of fake news, a lot of nonsense. But for those with strong stomach, quick fingers, there is chances to make money. Goldman Sachs. Look like it's gonna come down below the support here. Maybe 356. Let me text my brother. If GS drops below 356, look to buy at 348. All right. Same thing here. I will put in an order right now. As always, anticipate, plan, and execute. Okay, it's not I follow the principle APE, my own principle. I created that acronym APE as I've been drilling into my brother's brain every day. Anticipate, okay? Do nothing is not the right thing to do. Anticipate. 348. I'm gonna put in a price at 348.5. Okay, so around there. Nice round number. All right. If we dipped, we buy. Bank America, for sure, is gonna be a no touch. No touch until it better hold. Okay, it better hold. Every time the 20 MA fail on Bank America, it has been a struggle. So look at this. Okay, it's a lot of weakness here. Okay, so as long, I mean, it's too late to sell now. If you didn't sell at the all-time high, what were you doing? Right? Do I need to repeat that every time we see a stock that hit the all-time high? Every time I see this, I'm just like, if you have it and you didn't do anything, what were you doing? Trust me, I got drilled into this a million times by my teacher, okay? And my brother too. When I first started teaching him, he was guilty many times of holding on to things at the all-time high because he was grinning with more profit above. And in about 3 months, he's just like, okay, I get it. I get it. I get it, okay? Now, once again, what should you have done? Sell some, right? Heck, I would have sell some right here when it's closed. So sell some. If you didn't sell some, or if you sold some or did not sell any, what should you have done? Put a stop right here. Okay? Because you would get out the next day and then enjoy not seeing this nonsense, right? I don't get it. I don't get it. I love to hear people argue with me. No, don't do that. All-time high. When something, this is a nonsense. The utter nonsense that for those that follow crypto with all the Generation Z, millennium traders, show me a high and it's a buy. You know who, for those that follow crypto, I'm sure you know the channel that had the mantra, show me a high and it's a buy, moron. People that got lucky trading crypto early and make money, all of a sudden they grew a brain and they start talking shit. That it just make no sense. Show me a high, it's a buy. Anyone that follow that mantra and buy crypto at the high, what do you think happened to them? Bunch of dipshit. Bunch of dipshit. T. Rowe Price. Oh, oh, oh. I like it. I like it. Let it go sideways. Okay, let it keep going sideways. I like it. Okay, earning is dividend. Earning is when is earning coming up? Is the bottom in? Is the bottom in? Is the bottom in? T. Rowe Price. Earning is when? Indeed, Philip Cummings. Okay, I had to endure listening to that mantra from so many crypto channels in the past year. Show me a high, I will show you a buy. Yeah. How many people got blown up with that advice, huh? Those channels every say, this is not financial advice. They should follow up with, this is just dipshit talkers. Show me a high and I show you a buy. Shut the fuck up. You got lucky buying crypto early. Congratulations. After that, stop talking. Earning is April 20, so earning already happened. I like that. I like it even more. Okay, so earning is behind you. We got room. All right, so okay, so here's a tough thing. Okay, when you have a situation like this, how do you buy? Right? How do you buy? Well, nibble. Okay, nibble on red like today. 143.15. Well, I don't think it's gonna go down, but hey, put your order in right here, right at the all-time low, the 52-week low right here. Okay, put in there. Nibble right here. Nibble. What I mean by nibble? If you want to buy 100 share, don't go buy 100 shares. Buy 10, 15, no more than 20. Okay, your first buy should be your smallest buy. So yeah, I like throw. I like T. Rowe Price here. In fact, I might have to text my brother. Let me text my brother. Oh, we're adding to JetBlue. JetBlue. Buy on dip. Yeah. Buy on dip here, JetBlue. I'm gonna put in my order here. JetBlue. Adding. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Congratulations, Philip, for making money on crypto. You know, it's like I said, I'm not here to be popular. Let me be very clear. Same thing with my comic channel before. You know, I was never here to get the most sub, the most view, the most thumbs up, the most anything. Because you know what? All of these things don't equate to one winning trade. All of the money I make on YouTube don't equal one big flip. Okay, so I'd rather make money doing the right thing as far as flipping comic books or flipping stocks. I don't give a damn about pleasing 10,000, 5,000 followers. They can go pound sands. Okay, because do you know how hard it is to make $1,000 on views on YouTube? it takes about 30,000 views on the average to make $100 with YouTube. Okay, so all these channels that even one of the most popular comic channel, right? Yeah. Do I care to get 30,000 views a day to squeeze out $100 and pander myself to the lowest common denominator of this hobby? F no. I can make a lot more with one trade, okay? So F that. So all the channel that you see that is popular, that have daily videos that get like 5,000 views, just think, if they get 30,000 views a week, which is decent for comic channel, that's $100. And look at what they have to do to get that. Hell no. Hell no. Hell effing no. Market open. All right, let's rock. MMM. Let's take a look. Remember the first 15 minutes, we don't care, right? We don't do anything. Ooh, MMM, ugly. Oh boy. Oh boy. What did you do here with MMM? Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Yeah, it hitting the ref low. It hitting the ref low. Is this gonna hold? Okay, that's not a random area. Ugly. Okay, ugly. Would I touch it? No. No, 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 no. Do not touch. Do not touch. Let's save this. Yes, I am. I have low. I get mad at many things, but mostly I get mad at stupidity at myself. Like yesterday, last night, that whole nonsense was me being stupid and not understanding that playing around with the dimension of Think and Swim screwed up my OBS. Stupid. I've been using it for 2 weeks now. Dumbass right here. Okay, so I don't have a problem. Admit that I am stupid at times. Most people can't even handle being called stupid at all. I'm okay. I can do stupid things. I can own up to it. More people should learn to own up to it. Shopify crush, right? Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA 251. Okay, all right. Look at that. Look at this line that we drew. You think it was random or it dropped down there? No, 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 no. Nothing is random. Okay, nothing is random. Nothing is random. Okay. It's in no man's land right now. Okay, can NVIDIA bounce back? Here's my play for those. If you're in NVIDIA, if you bought NVIDIA down here, and you miss out on selling NVIDIA up here, for sure, put your order in around 263, 264, because if this thing's bounce today, tomorrow, next week, I think that is going to be the spot to get out. Okay, because this trend line, as you can see, multiple times is a downtrend. I think NVIDIA is going to have a hard time breaking that. On top of that, you have the 50 MA coming down right above, in sync with that downtrend. So if you're in NVIDIA and you haven't sold, right here, that's what I plan to do with my other half. Okay, I sold half. I wish I sold everything, but hey, it is what it is. Where would I sell next? Right here. By right here, I mean 263, 264, okay? Yes, we all have our dumb moment. Nothing wrong with that, okay? I have no problem calling out myself when I do something super stupid. Absolutely. And if I do something stupid and my brother call me out or my teacher call me out, I own to it, okay? The problem with most people, they're so thin-skinned. The moment that you say the moment that anyone said they did something stupid, they get all offended. Weak, feeble-minded people. I call people stupid all the time on YouTube, and they get all pissed off and unsub. Go F off, you weak and feeble. Stay stupid and stay poor. Okay, it's that simple. I don't know any successful people out there that have thin skin, unless it is athletic skills. Okay, people that have athletic gift, they can overcome thin skin, like Kevin Durant. What a feeble, weak skin that man has. Sorry, great player, but my God, so weak. Just shut the F up. Let's take a look at NVIDIA options. Sorry to go on tangent on basketball and Kevin Durant, because I like Kevin Durant, but my God. Analyze. Let's take a look. Oops. Trade. NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Let's see. Let's go out to March. Okay. Let's go to 10 strikes. Here we go. The put, not that attractive at right here. See, this is the first area that I would consider selling a put. Go out to, say, March or April. April. Okay, that's better. April 1st, NVIDIA. Look like about $1.50. Okay, right here. For 235. It's $1.50 for 235 and 240. Well, it haven't traded yet. Okay, but it's roughly about $1.50. All right, for that kind of put for NVIDIA at 230 strike price. So yeah, to me that's a good bet right there. Okay, that's a good bet, because look at that, the 200 MA is going out there. The average is around 230. That's pretty safe. To me, that's a good put selling strategy right there. You can collect $1.50, maybe even $2 out to April 1st. You got 2.5 months to collect $2, $1.50 to $2. Let me take a look at my E-Trade. See, I trade on E-Trade. I use TD Ameritrade for the live stream here. April 1st, 230. Did I screw it up? I think I screwed up. No, it's more than that. Yeah. What was I looking at? Why did my put thing look so whack? Was I looking at the wrong put? Okay, I'm looking at my E-Trade. Right now, the 230 April put is $10. Yeah. Nice. But let's go to today, okay? Let's go to the one that's expired tomorrow. The one expiring tomorrow, 240 strike price is $1.80. Yeah, let me text my teacher to see if he's doing that. I'm gonna text him, because I like that. I like that play. It's 1 day. 1 day of risk, and NVIDIA need to drop another $11 for me to break even. Okay, I like that. Indeed, Philip. Indeed. A lot of people are like that. I call people stupid on YouTube all the time, and more often than not, they get so offended. You're so nasty. Why do you have to be so combative? Because stupid is stupid. As soon as Kevin joined a team, yeah, Kevin Durant, such egotistical, weak, feeble mind, have all the physical talent in the world. But no, I can't be king with Golden State. Can't be king there because Curry is the king. Well, duh. I'm all about winning, okay? So I go anywhere that I can win. I do anything to win. I would, if I was an athlete, I would gladly take second spot to win more titles. I don't need to be the king of a village of idiots. Investor day for Intel. Let's take a look at Intel. Let's see what's going on with Intel. Intel hanging there. It's okay. That's all right. Intel's fine. Nothing there. Oh, how about Airbnb? Airbnb is hanging around 187. That's okay. I sold yesterday at 189, so I'm okay. No reason to be there. No more reason to be there. How about JetBlue? What's going on with JetBlue? Damn you! You bounce. You bounce on me. My order is still there at 15.9. I like JetBlue. I like JetBlue. How about Square? Ooh, be careful with Square earnings coming up, okay? And look like the 20MA is holding hostage. You don't want to see the same thing happen here, okay? The same thing can happen with many stocks that have this pattern. You don't want to see a gap down to here. Now, my teacher did tell me that he's buying Roblox. Yes, he did. Yesterday on this dump right here. He said, when it bounced off the dump, he said, time to giddy up. I did not. Okay, I did not. But I'm just going to report to you what he did right here. When it hit this right here, when it breached and went over, he giddy up right there. Okay, he was patient. He waited for it to go down, test the support, and then when it rise above the support, he said, giddy up. So he is in. Either late yesterday or early today, I forgot. I saw the text that he sent. He said he texted me that he said that he think Roblox bottom is in. So for those that are in Roblox, you want to know what my teacher said? That's what he said. Do as you wish. Anthem. Ooh, but not near the spot to buy. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, not yet. We're in no man's land. No man's land. Down here, last time I bought Anthem was 444. Right here. Right there. On that day. On this dump right here, I bought Anthem at 444. Okay, so not yet. McDonald's. Oh boy. Bounce, bounce, fail, fail. Okay, so for those that asked me about McDonald's, I did say risk reward not there. So what to do? Right here, down here. Would I buy McDonald's at 245? Yes, I would. Between 244 and 245? Yes, I would. Netflix, I'm sure it's ugly. No, it's okay. It's going sideways. It's okay. Keep going sideways. Next week could be the time to get into Netflix. Next week. The more it goes sideways, the closer the 20MA will come and cross it, and then it's an easier hurdle to get over. Okay, you heard me talk about that many times. The only time it's dangerous is when earning. Okay, we have seen many failure of this because earning completely hammer it. Okay, so avoid that on earning. Google's down, nothing does. Shopify is still ugly. Let's see, let's look at what I have. Amazon's up, Airbnb up a little bit, Go up a little bit, Oi up a little bit, not a surprise. Gilead up a little bit, nice. No, not Gilead, I'm sorry, that's Go. XLF down a little bit, but not down enough. XBI down a little bit, but not enough. How about Microsoft? I will be off in the next minute or two because, you know, after the first 15 minutes, I'm going to focus on trading. So Microsoft hanging on for dear life here, okay? Hanging on to the 200 MA, dear life. Okay, if this fail, I have my stop right here, 293.69. I will be stopped out at a loss right there, okay? So where would I buy back? 280 all day long. My brother just texted me. He bought a bunch of JetBlue at 16. I missed it. I got my order in at 15.9. He jumped in at 16 and bought 100 more share. I said it before. He's a better trader than I am because he's most focused. I am talking and trying to do order at the same time. Not a good thing at time. Okay, one last one before I go. Okay. Oh, before I go, let's run through the gamut of semiconductor. Qualcomm 169. Nothing to do here. Okay, nothing to do there. TXN holding strong. Good. MU still holding up there. If you didn't sell, be prepared for pain. I'm not sure what the heck you're doing if you haven't sell. At the least, what should you do if you have MU? Put your stop right here. Low of day, 94.39, right there. Put it there. So if this fail, you are not gonna waste watching $7 down. Okay, do it. If you have MU, put your stop up. You should move your stop up, 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 up. CWK, last one before I go. Oh boy, another one, all-time high. Nothing here but leave, okay? Leave. Okay, if you don't leave, what would you do? Put your stop at the day low right here. 2278 is the low of day. You put your stop right there. All right. If you're still long CWK, put your stop right there at the day low so that if this give back, you're out. You're only missing out 50 cents. Who cares? All right. I am done. Time for me to focus on trading and less on talking to you guys because I don't get paid for this. As always, if you appreciate the content, give me that thumbs up. I know this video don't get a whole lot of views and subs and all that stuff, but at the least when I see the thumbs up, I know that the 15 to 20 people that do care about this got something good out of it. Until later, if there's nothing to talk about, I see you tomorrow. If it's something worth talking about after 4 p.m., I will talk about it. Otherwise, be careful. Bye-bye.